The Flex truck bed cover from UnderCover gives you ultimate control of your truck bed. It's a low-profile design giving you a sleek and stylish look, plus it's topped with a UV protected black finish. You'll also see how flush this cover sits, making sure you're getting the most watertight, hard-folding cover on the market thanks to UnderCover. It also has an aluminum top skin panel to give you that nice, hard-folding function and durability. Each Flex cover has a bed rail mounting system that's equipped with rubber seals and drain tubes. This helps carry water away from and out of your truck bed, making sure your items stay secure and dry. The Flex is a secure cover that has a dual-action tailgate seal, so it's easy to use. You can also securely ride with this cover 3 ways. Plus, the folding panels allow for you to have 100% full access to your truck bed without the hassle of taking the cover off. The Flex from UnderCover is made in the USA and backed with a 3-year warranty.